Welcome back to the tvONE Training Academy studio. In this short video we're going to look at the ONErack Spider half rack. It can simultaneously supply 7 voltages. It's pretty high powered, it's 250 watts, it's got surge and load protection, and you can mount it in a number of different ways in your rack. So you can mount it in the front as a single unit or dual unit, in the rear in the same manner or in different orientations. Plus, it's so small you can surface mount it, so you could mount it under a desk, under a conference room table, or maybe behind a video wall even. So it's really flexible. This is the front of the unit, and you can see I have my fan, and I also have my indicators. If I spin around to the rear, you can see I can supply up to 14 small items with reliable, dependable DC power. Now, the way this works is you take your standard DC supply, cut off the wall wart, and then carefully wire up to a Phoenix connector. Then we slide out the power module, set the voltage, and slide back in. Now, I would recommend when you're designing your racks that you design your cabling numbering scheme to reflect the voltage, because obviously you could have up to 7 different voltages running out of a single ONErack half rack. Please have a look at the other clips on our YouTube channel, and there's lots of information not only about ONErack Spider but also about ONErack and all the other products in the tvONE and Magenta ranges. Please come back and join us in a future video. Bye bye now.